Example 3. Tell whether each triangle is a right triangle. Now, if we're dealing with a right triangle, that means that it should satisfy the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, which means we're going to take a short side squared plus a short side squared, and that should equal the long side squared. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is this square root of 113. I'm not really sure how large it is, so I'm going to put the square root of 113 in my calculator, which is roughly 10.6, so I know this should be the hypotenuse. So in order to check this, we're going to do short side squared plus other short side squared equals, with a question mark, the square root of 113 squared. Now, 7 squared is 49 plus 64. And then if I square square root, that's just going to get me 113. Then we're going to take 49 plus 64, which is 113, which equals 113. Because these three numbers satisfy the Pythagorean theorem, yes, this is a right triangle. Letter B. Same idea. So we're going to take 15 squared plus 36 squared equals maybe 4 times the square root of 95 squared. Now, when we do this over here, this gets a little tricky because you have to square the whole thing. So make sure you put it in parentheses. If you drop your parentheses, the calculator is going to calculate it wrong. 15 squared is 225. 36 squared is 1296. And then again, when you put the next one in your calculator, don't forget the parentheses, which is going to get us 1520. Then we're going to add together the 225 and the 1296, which is 1521. And you notice that 1521 does not equal 1520. So go back. These are not equal. So no, not right. This is not a right triangle.